I've used various straight edges and clamp-on guides for circular saws over the years, and some of them work pretty well. But this is the closest thing to an actual high-dollar track saw I've ever found. These are legit aluminum tracks. You get two of them, each 27.5 inches long, so they're easier to transport and store than the standard big 55-inch tracks that the other brands make. But when you combine them together, they add up to the same 55 inches. And more can be added to extend your cutting capacity. What makes this truly different from other circular saw-based systems is the high-quality aluminum saw plate. This places your saw right on the wide track instead of next to it, which eliminates the offset issue that comes with other systems, and it truly transforms your saw that you already own into a real track saw. The track can be laid right along your cut line, and the cut will be precise and crisp thanks to the fiber supporting strip along the edge. The plate runs smoothly in the track, and the guides can be adjusted to absolutely zero play within the grooves. If you remove the plate because you want to use your saw for something else once in a while, you can remount it quickly and precisely thanks to the cleverly designed quick alignment jig. The rails can be clamped down if you want, and believe it or not, the clamps are included instead of costing an extra 20 or 30 bucks each. But I found the non-slip strips on the back were perfectly fine for keeping the track in place wherever I wanted to cut. And as you can see, it even works with my compact cordless circular saw. They say it should work with just about any saw except worm drives. I can't speak to that, but it worked with all the saws that I have in my shop. The rails are only compatible with this system, so don't think you're going to grab these Miles Craft accessories and add to a track saw from another company. I also don't use it for beveled cuts because a circular saw doesn't tilt the same way as a regular track saw, so the blade wouldn't align with the edge of the track in an angled position. But for breaking down plywood sheets cleanly and with table saw-like precision, it is definitely worth checking out. You just may save yourself a lot of money. I'll put a link below this video.